This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by verifying prerequisites and taking the first steps. Check that your carrier offers 5G where you are, and confirm your phone model and plan support 5G. Once done, update the phone to the latest system version so settings appear. Next, enable location services and cellular data, then restart the device to clear old network caches. Make sure you have the physical SIM or eSIM ready. If you use eSIM, unlock its profile now. These actions prepare you for switching safely. You now perform the detailed configuration steps. Open Settings, go to Network or Mobile Network, and pick the active SIM or eSIM profile. Once selected, tap Preferred Network Type and choose 5G or 5G/4G Auto so your phone switches intelligently. Make sure any optional 5G Enhance or 5G SA settings are enabled for better speeds. These can increase battery use, so weigh pros and cons. If prompted, accept a network provisioning message from your carrier. Finish by verifying you have a 5G indicator and running a speed test to confirm improved throughput. If you don't see 5G, toggle airplane mode for 10 seconds then retry. Make sure your carrier profile was pushed correctly. If that fails, reseat the SIM or reinstall the eSIM profile and reboot. These steps often resolve provisioning hiccups. One key troubleshooting tip: if network registration still fails, contact your carrier with your device model and IMEI. Carrier-side provisioning is the most common blocker to enabling 5G.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.